How to link WhatsApp to Wix website. I'm going to show you how you can easily link WhatsApp to Wix website. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Next, navigate to the website you want to edit and click on Edit Site. Then, on the left side of the dashboard, click on Add Apps. Now, in the search bar, type WhatsApp and press Enter. After that, click on the WhatsApp application in the search results. Next, tap on Add to Site to start adding the app to your website. When prompted, click on Agree and Add to continue. Here, you will need to enter your first and last name, followed by your password. Fill in these details and tap on Let's Get Started. Now, click on Create Widget. You can choose a plan or select the free option based on your needs. After that, enter a name for your widget, such as WhatsApp, and click on Start Creating. Next, in the widget creation area, click on WhatsApp to configure the widget. Finally, enter your phone number to link your WhatsApp account to your website.